Greetings folks, it's Sarah. Today I have featured the ABC Concept 2 Max Hydro, and I'm going to give you guys a product overview today. So this is a hydro model. What that means is it takes water. It must be connected to water before you can light your fire. Because it must be connected to water, it does require a pump to operate, which means this unit does take electricity. Okay, so essentially most of the BTUs from the heat of the firebox are going into the water, and then you distribute that water throughout your home to create heat. You can do this through a variety of ways. Radiant in-floor heat, baseboard heat, wall radiators. Some people will do like forced air heat. If you've ever seen those nice towel warmers that some people have in their bathrooms, that's done with hydronics as well. So something to keep in mind: power requirement, water requirement at all times before you can light a fire. Beyond that, this is a beautiful little cook stove. It has the ability to burn wood and coal. It is sold with an additional grate, which is required for burning coal. I also highly recommend to purchase that grate when you are just burning wood as well, because otherwise you are putting the wood like directly on top of the water jacket inside the firebox. So that's definitely a recommended option. You have a nice stainless steel baking oven with one level and one oven rack inside of it, and you do have a nice large cooking surface as well. Now this model is going to feature a 6-inch flue, and it is a top, a rear, or a side vent flue, which is pretty cool because all of these options are interchangeable on site. The only other hydro stove that I can think of that has a side flue option would be Rizzoli, and it is an additional upcharge for that, whereas this is going to come standard. So that's pretty cool. It's available in a variety of colors. Here is going to be the gray color. It's a very light gray. We do have it in black and then stainless steel as well, where the front edges would be stainless and the side panels would be black. Now this model can come in a left or a right hand flue. Here it's shown with a left flue, which means that the firebox will be on the right hand side. If you were to reverse that and order the stove with a right hand flue, then your firebox would then be on the left hand side when facing the front. That cannot be changed. That has to be placed at your time of order. So the stove is very flexible with a variety of features to fit any style and any need for your home. This product is manufactured in Serbia, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. We have been selling this product in North America for about 10 years now, and it's been a really successful quality product for us. I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and your continued support. I appreciate you being here. God bless. Have a wonderful day.